Hello friends and families, have you eaten this combination of food before? Oh my god, it is so delicious. Student feeling, very cheap or affordable food, everyone. Let's cook and eat like a student. So let's dive into it, everyone. Alright, to prepare this recipe, first I place water on fire. Once it gets hot, I will empty 3 small packs of noodles. And make sure you do not add the seasoning, the noodles seasoning with it. After I add the noodles, I will cover, allow to cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, it is ready. I will transfer it into a strainer and allow to cool. One that is aside, next in a clean bowl, I will break 2 sizable eggs. You can add more than that. Next, I add half teaspoon of black chili pepper and mix to combine. While that is aside, on a clean pan, once it gets hot, I will add 2 tablespoonfuls of vegetable oil, and once it heats up, I will add 1 bulb of freshly chopped onions and allow to heat for 20 seconds. Next, I will add the whisked eggs and allow to fry on a low flame. Hello all my Jenny subscribers, thanks so much for your wonderful support, and if this is your first time, you are highly welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, share my videos to your friends and families, and if this is your first time, once again you are highly welcome. Alright, after the egg gets fried, next I will transfer the indomies or noodle, and next I will add the seasoning. The seasoning, I will take a turning stick and begin to mix to combine on a low to medium flame. Alright, all my Jenny subscribers, if you've eaten this combination of food before, let me know at the comment section what you think. Was it tasty? Do you like the flavor? Let me know at the comment section down below, because right now the aroma of this yummy recipe is taking over the whole kitchen. So I will continue to mix this for at least 10 to 20 minutes depending on the quantity of this recipe you are making. Next, I will transfer it into a clean plate. Keep watching, don't go away, and don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to share my videos to your friends and families. Don't forget to subscribe. Next, I'll be using sliced bread for this yummy stir fried indomie. You notice the oil is super small, so don't forget to like my video. So next, this is how we eat this yummy recipe. Imagine eating bread with indomie and egg. Oh, it's super delicious. Please give it a try and let me know what your experience is on the comment section down below. Alright, thanks so much, Jenny subscribers. Stay safe and stay connected, and don't forget to like, and bye for now, everyone.